Hello everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to continue our discussion on writing essay in writing section. Write essay is the easiest task in PT. So this is the main reason many people switch from IELTS to PT because it is very easy to do essay because of the template. Now I am going to provide you the essay template which you have to follow to achieve your desired score. An essay template is given in front of your screen and I will tell you how to use it. Let's get started. Topic. Here you have to write the topic from the question. You have to first read the question carefully and then you think that what is the topic. Then after that, topic has become an integral part of the rising debate in the present world while proponents of the argument are in favor. However, the opposites are completely against the relevance of the topic here. In my opinion, essay topic keywords. When you read the essay, you have to write some keywords and you have to use these keywords here. Has more positive impact than negative in the globe. This is your introduction part. Now moving to the second paragraph. In this paragraph, you have to write the advantages. Let's first read it. To commence with, there are a number of arguments in favor of my viewpoint. The most prominent one is that the positive advantage. Here you have to write the positive advantage which you have written when you read the question. According to the research conducted by Western Sydney University, example, here you can give one example of one line. Secondly, one more advantage. Here you have to write one more advantage. Now moving to the third paragraph. On the other hand, critics may point out that one of the most significant disadvantages of the essay topic keywords. Here you have to write the other keyword which you have written is that now in this paragraph you have to write the disadvantage. You can write it one or two lines. For instance, a survey conducted in the United States revealed that example 2. Here you have to write the example 2. So now you have completed 3 paragraphs. Moving to the last paragraph. Now the last paragraph is for conclusion. To conclude, even when there are a lot of demerit associated with the topic, in the topic word, you have to write the same word which you have written at the starting. The advantage outweighed the disadvantage and topic has become a crucial part of life. Therefore, efficient use of topic should be promoted. However, its excessive and misuse should be condemned. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked the video. Follow us for more update. Thank you and have a nice day.